Hyundai Motor Company, driving innovation and global mobility. Hyundai Motor Company, headquartered in Seoul, South Korea, is a global automotive manufacturer renowned for its commitment to innovation, quality, and sustainability. Founded in 1967 by Chung Ju-young, the company has grown from a regional automaker into one of the world's largest and most influential automotive corporations. This comprehensive video explores the diverse aspects of Hyundai Motor Company, including its history, corporate structure, key brands, technological advancements, sustainability initiatives, global impact, and future prospects. Founding and early years. Hyundai Motor Company's origins can be traced back to the Hyundai Engineering and Construction Company, founded by Chung Ju-young in 1947. The automotive division was established in 1967, and the first Hyundai car, the Cortina, rolled off the assembly line in 1968. Rapid expansion and growth. Hyundai quickly expanded its presence in the automotive industry, producing a wide range of vehicles and exporting them to global markets, including North America and Europe. Post-2000 Renaissance. Hyundai experienced a significant resurgence in the 21st century, shedding its image as a budget automaker and gaining recognition for its quality, design, and innovation. Corporate structure and key brands. Hyundai Motor Company operates with a relatively straightforward corporate structure, with Hyundai Motor Corporation as the parent company overseeing several subsidiaries and brands. Hyundai's brand portfolio includes Hyundai, Genesis, and Kia, each catering to specific market segments and demographics. Technological advancements. Hyundai has made significant advancements in automotive engineering, including the development of efficient engines, safety technologies, and aerodynamic designs. Electric and hybrid technology. The company is actively investing in electric and hybrid vehicles, with the Hyundai Kona Electric and the Hyundai Ioniq being notable examples of its commitment to sustainability. Autonomous driving and connectivity. Hyundai is actively researching and developing autonomous driving systems and integrating advanced connectivity features into its vehicles to enhance safety and convenience. Sustainability initiatives. Hyundai has set ambitious environmental goals, including a commitment to become carbon neutral in its global operations by 2045. Electric vehicle investment. The company is investing heavily in electric vehicle development, with plans to launch numerous electric models across its brands in the coming years. Hyundai Motor Company engages in various social responsibility initiatives, including support for education, healthcare, and disaster relief efforts. Global manufacturing and sales. Hyundai operates in over 200 countries, with manufacturing facilities, research and development centers, and a vast network of dealerships worldwide. The company has a significant economic impact, providing employment opportunities, supporting local economies, and contributing to technological advancement in regions where it operates. Hyundai Motor Company places a strong emphasis on social responsibility, actively participating in disaster relief efforts, promoting diversity and inclusion, and fostering community engagement. Electrification and hydrogen. Hyundai is committed to advancing electrification and hydrogen fuel cell technology, with plans to expand its lineup of electric and fuel cell vehicles in the coming years. Autonomous driving and mobility services. The company is investing in autonomous driving technology and exploring mobility as a service (MaaS) concepts to adapt to changing consumer preferences. Hyundai's commitment to innovation positions it for continued success and leadership in the automotive and mobility industries. In conclusion, Hyundai Motor Company's remarkable journey from its humble beginnings to its current status as a global automotive and technology leader reflects its unwavering commitment to innovation, quality, and sustainability. With a rich history, a strong brand portfolio, groundbreaking technologies, and a global impact, Hyundai is well positioned to continue shaping the future of the automotive and mobility industries. Through its dedication to customer satisfaction, engineering excellence, and responsible corporate practices, Hyundai Motor Company remains a trusted and influential force in the automotive world, poised for continued growth and innovation in the years to come.